Hello everyone, this is Joe Pix. I'm Joe, and today I have this Zarker J45S disc detainer lock. This is a rear tensioning disc, which I had no idea was a thing when I first got this. This is a front tensioning tool, as most of you already know. So you have to pick all the discs that need picked and then go find a zero cut and then tension off of it to pick the one in the front. I managed to do that earlier for the very first time, so I thought I would try to get it on camera. First thing I need to do is rotate all of the discs clockwise as far as they will go. This little 3D printed tool that John Locke designed. Put this in vise. Made this little collar that helps me keep it stable with the front, keep it from turning it any wrong direction. And it also is the correct distance to only tension the first disc. Starting at the back. First disc doesn't move. Third disc doesn't move. Find my place here. Just one. Okay, I didn't have two set all the way. 3. Oh, man. I'm so bad at this. But man, does that feel good. There it is. Unlocked on camera. Finally. Man. Can't gut this. So no excitement there. But I got my first disc detainer lock open and I'm very excited. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you like this and you'd like to see more, please like, please subscribe, and have a great day.